Mathematics is not that makes you intelligent. It is actually a deduction of human intelligence. The human intelligence, the physiology, the neurology, it is mathematically designed and it operates in a mathematical synchronicity. Now, if you think that you need the mathematics imitates how the human body is configured, and it is just a reflection of your own self. It is not a creation of anything. Kwa hivyo wale wanasema eti hesabu haipaswi kuwa compulsory, inapaswa kuwa compulsory, haipaswi kuwa optional, you do not understand what you are saying, or rather you have been lied to that mathematics really gives you intelligence. It does not give intelligence if you ask me. Ever since 1960, curriculums of education from primary to secondary, I guess mathematics was compulsory. So meaning all the people around you see who are 40, 50 years downwards to 10, 5 years or more 6 years, they are all doing mathematics. So is intelligence and smartness a common denominator? Is intelligence a common denominator for all the people who have gone to school? Because all of them have done mathematics. You hear someone saying, oh, if you have not done mathematics, you may not know how to mix githeri, maize and beans. You will not know how to mix githeri and how to cook githeri. If that is the case, then you are using the wrong word. It is not about mathematics. It is about mental incapability. It is a problem. It is not about mathematics. If you have not done mathematics, you will not be able to know how to count your money. Counting is such a rudimentary thing. Even everyone, even you has never gone to school, even learned any language, anything in formal education, they know how to count. Our grandparents used to know how to count. They know how to count. They knew how to count the seasons. They knew how to count times and patterns, observe the weather. They knew how to count their safe days. Look at your grandmothers, those who are old, who are 70 years, who gave birth in the 1960s, when condoms were not there, when P2s were not there, when implants were not there. You could see a gap of 3 years between their children. Normally, even if there was no stillbirth, they never conceived for 2 years. Yet wewe na hii hesabu yote umesoma na calculus, unashinda kuhesabu ya safe days na unashinda hapa kuturopokea hesabu. It makes intelligence. It does not make intelligence. Intelligence is a genetic thing. It is given you. It is like Mwalimu Julius Nyerere said, ni kipaji kama urefu ama ufupi. But at that time he was referring to foolishness. And so is intelligence. It is not given by mathematics. You either have it or you don't have it. So mathematics should not be a big deal for someone who is intelligent, because it does not define your intelligence. So let us get things straight. And number two, on a different approach or a different angle, I would say that the mathematics that we are taught is not really important. It is taught for the sake of it. It is taught with a belief. But mathematics to me should not be taught for everyone in a pure form. We study the pure mathematics. We study not the applied mathematics, because every field, everything you do, has mathematics in it. Not consciously, by design, it is mathematical in nature. Whether you got an A in mathematics or a B or a D, it doesn't matter. It happens the same way. When we are taught, and I can remember from class 1, 2, 3, 4, we used to study addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. We got introduced to fractions. We got introduced to decimals. We got introduced to measurements. What we call the metric, the length, surface area, of the acreages, hectares, capacity, that is liters, weight, that is kilograms, and so on. From there, we know we got introduced to algebra. Algebra, using of alphabets and numericals, and looking for what is missing in an equation, which is now the alphabet, converting alphabets to become numerals, because we're looking for the unknown value, which is now the alphabet. That's the algebra. We got introduced again to things we used to call, they are called geometry. Geometry, which is a very important part, because geometry simply means the measurements of the earth. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Remember to like and subscribe, and like and subscribe. You might get a reward by the way. Which reward? Come on, it's a free video. Be serious.